Hello there. I'm making a video about my Animal Crossing town. Yeah, I got nothing. I'm basically just trying to get my friend code out there if anyone wants to friend me. If you don't, I don't care. If you do, go ahead. Just make sure to message me if you do. I do have apples and oranges in my town. This is an apple tree right here. It just, yeah, it didn't grow back. Also, I do time warp, but that's only like one day, pretty much, 1 or 2, 3, 4. You know, not like to Easter or anything. And it's doing pretty well for me. Yeah, doing pretty well. So, yeah, I'll just give a brief tour of my town, I guess. The orange trees. I'm close to the camera so you can freaking hear me. This flower. Bella's house. And as you may know from my other videos, Kyle. I might have not released them yet, but also these are for him. I may have not released them yet, but whatever. Pudge's house. She's my friend. Oh, I knew it. No. No. Down here is the museum, and this guy's house just popped up out of nowhere, blocking my way to get to the museum. I got some fish and stuff here. There's a Tango. I don't really interact with her. She's weird. Some coral. Yay. It's 2 in the morning. I'm not very enthusiastic. Oh my god, a freaking fish! Oh my god! Freaking catch the fish! Get in the freaking net! Get in the freaking... That's good. I know, I'm using a little webcam. I have... Oh, sup, Camofrog. They're like Camofrog, Dina. Yeah, I got some cool people in my town. Camofrog's house. And, Dina? Yeah. Let's take a tour of my house. Bonk. Oh, I was gonna knock. But nope. Still the much. This I got from Pudge. Yeah, she gave me secret flowers. Here's my walker. Gotta sit in this chair. I got that from a tree. I got it from a tree. It's golden. It's all organized in here. Yay. Let's watch some TV. Oh, I love this channel. Yay. Super Ninja Action Fighter. Super Ninja Action Fighter. Okay, enough TV. Okay, well, I just made this video to be stupid. I guess I can show you more, but whatever. You can click off now. You can get the friend code and add me. I mean, no one even plays this game anymore. All they're playing is New Leaf. The best part is there's no black lines on the TV. I hope not. That's a freaking bug. Yeah. You gotta be my dinner, bug. You gotta be my dinner. Oh, dang it. I don't get anything for dinner. Maybe. Let's see if my camouflage is. Yeah. Good eating frog legs. I actually don't have frog legs, do I? Here's David! Yeah, what's up, dude? I love you. Shut up. I'm tired. I suck at flower hybrids. It's July. Yay. What's up, Jim Frog? Oh crap, he saw me. Stop. Dude, glad you showed up. There's some stuff I need to talk to you about, Tenta. Hey, have you heard about that little bug that's been around town? I think it's called a moth or something. Whatever, it's often people want it or this shit. Oh, okay, I guess. I don't think I'll be able to. Fish wanted, I'll buy fish for a reasonable price. Nook and go. Yeah, have Nook and go. If you are a beginning character to this game, I mean, I bet you're just gonna be a beginner to no leaf, but yeah. But anyways, if you are a beginner, I will help you. I will give you a reasonable amount of money. I'm still paying off my mortgage for my big house. So, there's not much I can help you with, but I'll do my best. Oh, did that? Oh no, it's right here. Yeah, so, that's the end of this video. Bye.